Citing relevant sections of the Constitution, the PDP Leader of Parliament, Emmanuel Okoduwa, speaking under matters of personal explanation, said the member who decamped from PDP to APC breached the law on defection. Mr. Okoduwa therefore moved that stringent measures should be taken against the member representing Esan Central Constituency, Victor Eduro. The PDP Speaker, Chief Festus Ibeya, having satisfied with the relevant sections of the Constitution, declared that the seat of the affected member, Victor Eduro, be declared vacant.
You are very much aware that there is no division in PDP. And we have one national leadership. We are still aware that the said member representing Esan Central, Honorable Victor Eduro, has now defected to APC. It is a clear violation of this, a breach of this constitutional provision.
Having heard from the leader of the House, unequivocally, you know that what was done by the man representing Esan Central is nothing but a breach of the Constitution. I hereby, with the powers conferred on me by the Constitution, hereby declare the seat of Esan Central vacant forthwith. INEC is hereby notified that within 90 days to conduct a fresh election.
Also at the PDP plenary, a resolution restraining ESMA from operating on federal roads in the state was adopted. The member representing Igweben constituency, Kingsley Egemuso, citing sections of the Constitution, told members the relevant agencies that have the statutory power to operate on federal roads. He got the support of some members who described the attitude of ESMA officials on those roads as embarrassing to motorists.
This application this morning seeks to restrain these people and restrict them to the roads that are within the confines of the legislative duties of this honorable house, within what the state has, and not for them to dabble into the federal trunk roads.
If Oshomole police, who have no legal rights to be on federal roads, become overzealous and take their duties to federal roads, they should be treated as touts. And my humble submission is that copies of this resolution are available to the National Committee Against Touting.
They were established to manage traffic, but Mr. Speaker, today what you witness is not the management of traffic, but unduly harassment of our people and passerby. It is on record today that those states have become notorious for that fact.
Meanwhile, the PDP Speaker, Chief Festus Ibeya, has commended the members at plenary. He made the statement while rounding up plenary for the first quarter, first session, which according to him, saw the House passing 9 resolutions. The member representing Esako West 1 constituency, Abdul Razak Momo, also used the opportunity to debunk claims that he has been ejected from the legislators' quarter following the pronouncement that APC lawmakers have declared the seat vacant. The House, however, adjourned to 8 September 2014. Efosa Uwangwe reporting.